gut health. Gut is like our second brain, right? The days when our stomach is clean and fine, we can see the change in energy. But the day when we are constipated or we have diarrhea or we have some problem with our stomach, then we can really see how our mood is, how our level of energy is. So it's so important from an Ayurvedic standpoint also that we have a healthy gut. Today we are going to see a few asanas that will help improve the digestion. Let's begin. We will do Kapalbhati pranayam. For Kapalbhati, the breathing is normal and breathing out is forceful. सांस हम लोग अंदर लेते हुए पैसिवली लेंगे और सांस छोड़ते हुए फोर्स के साथ. So take a breath in and breathe out and push your tummy in and breathe out forcefully. Breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. As you breathe out, push your tummy in, and as you breathe in passively. So let us all do it together. Let's start. Normal breath in and out. For Kapalbhati, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out. Continue. And relax. We'll be doing 10 counts and 3 times. Let's get ready for the second round of Kapalbhati. Normal breath in and out. Let's begin. In, out, in, out, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10 and relax. विश्राम करेंगे. Let's get ready now for the final round of Kapalbhati. And relax. विश्राम करेंगे. And now we will slowly stand up. Let's start jogging. Let's start moving our legs right and left. Swing, swing, swing. Front. And back. Let's start twisting. Warm up your entire body. And relax. Now let's come in position. हम 3 फीट का फासला रखेंगे दोनों पैरों के बीच में और धीरे से दाहिनी ओर मुड़ेंगे. जो दायां पैर है वो 90 डिग्री आउटवर्ड्स है, 90 डिग्रीज आउटवर्ड्स. एंड देन स्लोली सांस लेते लेते वी विल लिफ्ट बोथ आवर हैंड्स अप and slowly come down. Bend at our knees. The left leg is straight. Stay there. Keep breathing. Hold. Make sure that your knee is not further than your ankle. They are both in straight line. घुटना और नली एक ही रेशा में हो. Slowly come up and relax. We'll do it on the other side. Turn on the left. Left hand is out 90 degrees. Slowly raise your hands and bend. Feel a beautiful stretch in your legs, your spine. Stay there. Keep breathing. Extend your arms. Stretch your leg out. Hold. And relax. विश्राम करेंगे. दोनों हाथों को साइडवेज ले जाएंगे और ट्विस्ट करेंगे. पहले दाहिनी ओर, फर्स्ट राइट साइड, सेंटर, लेफ्ट साइड and then center. One more time, right side, center, left side, center. One last time, twist, center, breathing in, breathing out, and relax. Again, we will move towards the right side. This time we will do Parivritta Trikonasana. धीरे से come in the position on the right side and slowly take your left hand down and right leg up. Stretch up. Breathing in, come up. Breathing out, relax. Let's do it on the other side. Turn on the left side and slowly come down. You can use a block to touch the ground. Stay there. Keep breathing. Breathing in, come up, and breathing out, relax. In the same position, we will interlock our fingers, go back, open up our chest, and as we breathe out, slowly come down. Hands go up. You can micro bend your knees a little, push your body down, stretch up. जितना नीचे जा सकते हैं उतना कोशिश करें. You will feel a nice stretch in your hamstrings, glutes, calf muscles. Stay there. Keep breathing. धीरे धीरे करके ऊपर आ जाएंगे. Very slowly and relax. You can reduce the distance between both the feet. And slowly we will sit down in Malasana. Stay there, keep breathing. Take a few relaxing breaths here. Keep your spine straight, chin up, and a smile. And relax, विश्राम करेंगे. Let's sit down. Let's come in Dandasana. We will bend both our knees, place our hands by the sides, and we will do simple movements with our knees. First right, and then center, left and center. Right, center, left, center. Right, look back, center, left, look back, center. Relax both your feet. Now slowly bend your right leg. Keep your spine straight. Take your right hand on the side. Now slowly place your left elbow on your right knee and look back. Vakrasana, we'll do the twist. And relax. We'll do it on the other side. Keep the right elbow on the left knee and look back. And relax, Vishram karenge. Bring both the feet together. We will do few rounds of Titli. Butterfly pose, flap your thighs, feet together. And relax, Vishram karenge. And we will begin with Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Nadi Shodhan Pranayam के लिए जो बायां हाथ है वो चिन मुद्रा में होगा. The left hand will be in chin mudra. This is chin mudra. Gently place it on your left knee. बाएं घुटने पे रखेंगे. बहुत ज़्यादा आगे नहीं या पीछे नहीं. Just place it on your knee. And the right hand is in Nasigra mudra. Keep your spine straight. The index finger and middle finger is between your eyebrows. Thumb is on the right nostril. Little finger and ring finger is on the left nostril. मध्यमा और तर्जनी दोनों भुवों के बीच में. अंगूठा दाहिनी नासिका पे. छोटी उंगली और अनामिका बाईं नासिका पे. एक लंबी गहरी सांस अंदर और पूरी तरह से श्वास बाहर. One more normal deep breath in and breathe out from the left nostril. Gently tap the thumb so that you close the right nostril and breathe out left. Now breathe in left and breathe out right. Breathe in right. Breathe out left. We will continue with the alternate nostril breathing. बाईं नासिका से सांस छोड़ेंगे. बाईं नासिका से सांस लेते हुए दाहिनी नासिका से सांस छोड़ेंगे. दाहिनी नासिका से सांस लेते हुए बाईं नासिका से सांस छोड़ेंगे. कंटिन्यू. लंबी गहरी सांसें जैसे कि एक खूबसूरत से गुलाब के फूल का सुगंध ले रहे हैं. Long, deep, gentle breaths as if you are smelling a beautiful rose. Continue. Breathing out from the left nostril. Relax your hand, relax your palms. बाईं नासिका से सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते दोनों हाथों को विश्राम दे देंगे. And we will meditate now for few minutes.